Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Also share each and every video of Mathline to the students of standard 9th and 10th, because these videos are based on the theorems and the proofs. So we will start today's lesson with a new theorem and its proof. That is, it is related to the geometrical figure rhombus. The definition of rhombus is when all the sides are equal, the quadrilateral is a rhombus. So rhombus is also a parallelogram. Why? Because of the theorem, when opposite sides are congruent, the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So remember that the rhombus is also a parallelogram. So all the properties of parallelogram are applicable for rhombus also. Opposite sides are congruent, opposite angles are congruent, then diagonals bisect each other. So here you have to learn the extra property which is applicable only for rhombus, not for parallelogram. That is, diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. What is the meaning of perpendicular bisectors? The angle between the diagonals is 90 degree and also they bisect each other. So the only you have to prove the diagonals are at 90 degree, because bisect each other, that is the property of parallelogram also. So you need not prove that. It is understood that rhombus is a parallelogram, therefore diagonals bisect each other. So only you have to prove diagonals are at 90 degree. But what is the property? Diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Clear what is the meaning of perpendicular bisectors? It at 90 degree and also bisect. Clear? The point of intersection is the midpoint of both the diagonals. Understood? So given quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus, then it is understood that AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Also O is the midpoint of AC and BD, because rhombus is also a parallelogram. To prove, what is to prove? AC perpendicular to BD and O is the midpoint of AC and BD. AC is perpendicular to BD and O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Only you have to prove the first part, that is AC and BD are at perpendicular. The other part is understood from the property of parallelogram, since rhombus is also a parallelogram. So we will start the statement. The first one we will write the same statement, that is they bisect each other. For that we will write the reason rhombus is a parallelogram. So what is the first statement? OA equal to OC, OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD. O is the midpoint of AC and BD, or diagonals bisect each other. What reason you will write? Rhombus is a parallelogram. Rhombus is a parallelogram. Clear? That is the first statement. Understood? Now second statement, in triangle AOB and triangle AOD. Which of the triangles we are taking? AOB and AOD. Prove the two triangles are congruent. We will see which test. The first statement is AO congruent to AO. AO congruent to AO. What is the reason? Common side. What it is? Common side. And second statement, AB equal to AD. What is the reason? Sides of the rhombus. All sides are equal. Therefore, AB equal to AD. What reason you will write? Sides of the rhombus. Now the third statement, OB equal to OD. Diagonals bisect each other as rhombus is a parallelogram. Or simply you can write rhombus is a parallelogram. This is a property of parallelogram. Diagonals bisect each other. So, which test the triangles are congruent? Side, side, side. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOD by SSS test. If the triangles are congruent, the remaining parts, corresponding parts will be also congruent. Therefore, angle AOB congruent to angle AOD. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. So, again, we got AOB congruent to AOD. Again, what type of angles they are? See, they are in linear pair. So, what will be their sum? 180 degree. By linear pair, axiom. Angles in linear pair are supplementary. So, what is the next statement? Angle AOB plus angle AOD equal to 180 degree. What reason you will write? By linear pair axiom. So, from these two statements, what you will get? That is AOB equal to AOD and AOB plus AOD equal to 180 degree. From this, each angle will be 90 degree. Clear? Their sum is 180 degree and they are equal means 90 plus 90. Understood? Therefore, next statement, angle AOB equal to angle AOD equal to 90 degree from 5 and 6. From 5 and 6. They are 90 degree means what? AO is perpendicular to BD. AO is nothing but AC. They are on the same line. That is AC is perpendicular, last statement. AC is perpendicular to BD. What is the reason? If the angle between the two lines is 90 degree, they are called perpendiculars of each other by the definition of perpendicular lines. Understood? Only we proved the diagonals are perpendiculars of each other. But it is understood that since rhombus is a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So we proved the property of rhombus which is not applicable for parallelogram, that is diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Clear? Clear the theorem and its proof? I think you understood it. So that is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please share and forward to maximum number of students of 9th and 10th. Also, watch each and every video of Mathline from beginning to end for better understanding. See you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.